Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you a dumbbell bicep curl, okay? So this one is just going to be plain old bicep curl. So you're going to have the dumbbells out to your side like this, and then we're going to keep our elbows down, bend our knees slightly, flex the abdominals, breathe in, you can squeeze the glutes a little bit, and then straight up, control back down. Keep those elbows down. Okay, so one last time. Pretty simple. Maintain, slight bend. Abdominals on hard, breathe in, press up, squeeze hard in this area, try and feel it, control it back down, rinse and repeat. Okay, get a good tempo going. You can make them harder, there's other ways to do them. You can do them in different grips. You can do a neutral grip, supinated, pronated grip, different ways. I'll do different videos on those later, okay? There's just a basic one. So let me know if you have any questions. Keep it simple. Do the correct amount of weight so you're feeling a nice pump. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.